I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to download and install FastroSuite. So the first thing you need to do is go to fastrolaw.com, click on the free download button. Once that is downloaded, we're going to execute that file. And it'll take just a few moments for that file to get started here and to finish its installation. Okay, FastroSuite is now installed. The first time you launch it, you'll need to log in with your Clio managed credentials. So you'll select the instance of Clio that your firm has its data on, which in my case is North America. That's going to take me to a browser where I will enter my Clio managed credentials. After you've done that, Clio will ask you to give FastroSuite permission to interact with your data. So I'm going to click Allow Access. And now I've logged into FastroSuite, and in just another moment here, it will be running and ready for my use. If at any time you have any questions with this process or need additional assistance, you can always go to fastrolaw.com, click on Contact Us, and then email support, and you can email us questions, or you can click on Phone Support, and you can schedule a time when I can call you or connect with you by Zoom, depending on what you may need.